Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. I have to make a public admission that the forecast has gone somewhat off the rails. A giant ball of rain's basically rolling down the east coast, currently between Cairns and Townsville, spreading south to about Rocky, even Bundy tomorrow, and then a washout for the Fraser Coast and Eastern Downs on Friday, Saturday. Today's top in Cairns was 24 degrees after a low this morning of 19. Big contrast to yesterday where tops and bottom temps were much further apart due to clear skies. On the satellite loop, well, everything's a little bit different than expected, and it's all in the upper level, so the charts today won't explain too much. It's a thing we call upslide, where thousands of feet up in the atmosphere, a very large region of air is forced to slowly rise over a very broad area, causing mass condensation. It's already raining in Townsville, south of Cairns, Catheria Coast, starting to affect the Whitsunday coast now. By this time tomorrow, it'll be almost all the way down to Fraser Island. On today's chart, on the surface, it's not that complicated. We've got a south-southeasterly wind coming from this large, high, slow-moving system, but it's what's happening upstairs, a massive upper-level trough. Maybe tomorrow I'll draw it in for you, where all the high-level uplift of the moist air is occurring, and at the moment it's mainly in the tropics. On tomorrow's chart, that upper-level feature starts sliding down the coast, and you can see how it induces an offshore trough in the tropics, and then on the outlook chart we see the rain spread right into the southeast, again due to upper levels and not much to do with this chart. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns, waters east to southeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, then up to 25 knots on Thursday and still reaching 25 at times on Friday. Another pretty big tides due late tomorrow morning, hardly surprising with the new moon now upon us. There's a corresponding very low tide as the sun prepares to set. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, a cloudy day. Rain will be mainly south of Cairns. Cairns itself, 19 to 24 degrees, 18 for Atherton, Innisfail 21, Mareeba 22. And looking ahead for Cairns, the peak of the rainy period will likely be tomorrow with an easing trend over the remaining week, though the details change with every model run, so watch this space. Atherton, a lot cooler than the coast. We're getting tops only in the low 20s, getting up to about 25 on Sunday, then dropping back again on Monday. And that's all the weather for this Tuesday evening. Please join me again tomorrow for the next chapter in the ever-unfolding weather story, and I'll keep you posted on the rain situation. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, you can watch our news anytime you like over on 7+. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.